This is GenZero, cleaner, quieter, the generator replacer. In a world that demands reliable power without compromise, GenZero's Cobalt range delivers a new standard in portable energy. Built around safer LFP battery technology, every unit uses inherently stable, thermally resilient cells, dramatically reducing fire risk in demanding professional environments. Engineered for longevity, the system offers up to 4,000 charge cycles, backed by a 10-year product warranty and 5-year battery guarantee. That's long-term confidence and long-term return on investment. On site, silence matters. GenZero power stations operate up to 90% quieter than fuel generators, improving communication, concentration, and overall safety. Every model is constructed with a rugged, field-ready build, industrial-grade protection against impacts, dust, weather, and the harshest job site conditions. With fast, predictable charging, downtime is kept to a minimum, ensuring teams stay operational and productive. And when the work gets heavy, the Cobalt delivers. Expect high, consistent power output with no voltage drop, even when running demanding industrial tools. And with its integrated solar inverter, every unit can draw power directly from solar panels, enabling true extended off-grid operation. It's a practical step toward cleaner work sites without compromising performance. All of this with zero emissions. Clean, exhaust-free power that's safe for indoor, enclosed, or emissions-sensitive environments. Plus, pure sine wave output ensures clean, stable electricity for sensitive electronics and high-performance equipment. GenZero exists for one purpose: to empower people, businesses, and communities with clean, portable energy, anytime, anywhere. A future where portable power doesn't cost the earth, where every tool, every device, every mission is powered by zero-emission energy. GenZero, powering progress quietly, safely, and sustainably.